Hello everyone, this is Yiziping. Right now, the newly released Honor 400 Pro is in my hands. Let's take a look at how it performs in various aspects. First up, the design. To be honest, if they changed the camera module a bit, I might have mistaken it for an iPhone. This time, Honor has completely abandoned the curved screen and adopted the more popular straight screen. The screen size has also been reduced from 6.78 inches in the previous generation to 6.55 inches. With a metal frame featuring a frosted surface design, the single-handed grip and operation experience have been significantly improved. The back design is also highly distinctive. It adopts a brand new flowing brocade process which resembles both flowing sand and rosy clouds, presenting different visuals from various angles. The camera arrangement faintly carries the shadow of the previous generation, but the lenses are larger, and the overall look is more square. The device also boasts a high level of protection with an IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance rating, easily handling scenarios like being in the rain or accidentally falling into water. Moving on to the display, Honor has equipped the Honor 400 Pro with its excellent eye care features. It comes with the most comprehensive AI eye care solution in its category, supporting 3840 Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming and having passed the TV Rhineland flicker-free certification. Additionally, features like dry eye-friendly mode, myopia relieving display, and natural color display are all included, not only offering better eye protection but also preventing the screen from yellowing. Moreover, it retains the motion sickness relief display function from the previous generation, which can slightly move the screen animation in the direction of the vehicle's speed to alleviate motion sickness when using the phone while riding in a car. In terms of performance, it is powered by the 3rd generation Snapdragon 8 mobile platform. Combined with a 120 Hz maximum screen refresh rate, as well as AI smart frame scheduling and GPU Turbo X technology, it delivers a smooth experience whether for daily use or gaming. Here, we conducted a real-world test of Honor of Kings using Performance CDawg. In a 10-minute diamond ranked match, the average frame rate was 119.9 frames, with no frame drops or stutters. The imaging capability is a major upgrade for the Honor 400 Pro. It features a 200MP AI ultra clear main camera paired with a 50MP telephoto portrait lens and an 112 ultra wide-angle macro lens, supporting both OIS and eyes dual stabilization, as well as full focal length golden portrait shooting. Let's directly look at some real-world sample photos. The 200MP large sensor camera truly excels, delivering very pure images with excellent noise reduction and detail preservation, and very accurate color reproduction. In portrait photography, there's an AI ultra clear portrait switch. When enabled, it supports motion detection prediction and intelligent focusing, making it easy to capture great photos. Even when zoomed into 6x telephoto, ultra clear portrait shooting is still supported. Additionally, in terms of dynamic photo features, the Honor 400 Pro brings many new things. Firstly, it supports smooth playback at 2K level quality. Secondly, you can edit dynamic photos by cropping, rotating, applying filters, and adjusting colors. Moreover, you can even set your own captured dynamic photos as wallpapers. In portrait photography, besides the well-known Yagoo portrait mode, 6 new film-like portrait modes have been added this time, including 3 simulating Kodak and 3 simulating Fuji, highly restoring the unique aesthetics of the original films. The actual sample photos are on the right. As for battery life, despite the reduced body size, the Honor 400 Pro manages to fit in a 7,200 mAh King High Lake battery. This not only provides longer battery life for daily use but also adopts an ultra-long-lasting battery design, allowing the battery to maintain good health for up to 4 years under normal usage scenarios, truly achieving long-lasting battery life. In terms of charging, it supports 90W wired fast charging and 50W wireless fast charging, as well as wireless reverse charging. Of course, besides these, with the latest Magicos 9.0 operating system, the Honor 400 Pro also brings many AI features, such as AI Magic Photo Editing, AI Life, AI Office, and much more, which are quite powerful. Interested users can give us a like and follow, and we'll cover more in our subsequent content. That's it for this hands-on experience. See you next time. Bye!